Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're cooking something foul. Something with game foul to be correct. Now this recipe comes to us from Caliente's Pizza and Draft House in Pittsburgh, PA. Now this award-winning pie took the 2016 International Pizza Challenge by storm, and it's one of the first of many wins by the Caliente team. Chef Eric von Hansen was kind enough to share his Quack Attack pizza recipe with me in the Chef's Corner, my multimedia segment in every issue of PMQ. This pie has layers upon layers of flavor and texture. And you know what they say, if it looks like a duck, walks like a duck, and it sounds like a duck, it's gonna be delicious on a pizza. Now this pie has numerous different elements, but once prepped, they can all be ready to go at a moment's notice. So don't worry, we're all gonna waddle through this together. So for this pie, we're gonna need a 6 to 8 ounce Maple Leaf Farms boneless duck breast, mushroom ragu, garlic butter, 15 by 15 allied metal grandma pan, 22 ounce dough ball, grated fontinella cheese, baby arugula, and quartered cherry tomatoes. Pan sear the duck in a cast iron pan over a medium heat, fat side down, moving the duck around on all sides till it reaches the temperature of 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let rest for a half hour on a plate, and then slice it into 1/4 inch slices, leaving the skin on. Mushroom ragu. Shiitake, button, and crimini mushrooms sliced. Fresh garlic clove, minced. 1 shallot, minced. Vegetable oil. Fresh chives, chopped small. Fresh thyme leaves. Kosher salt. Black pepper, and white truffle oil. In a medium stock pot or large saute pan, add oil, garlic, shallots, and cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the garlic is lightly brown. Add all of the mushrooms and stir. Cook for 5 minutes or until the mushrooms go down in size, then add the fresh herbs, salt, pepper, and truffle oil mix and cook well for about 5 more minutes. Pull it off the stove and then let that sit for 30 minutes. Garlic butter. Unsalted butter. Minced garlic cloves. Granulated garlic. Onion powder. Worcester sauce. Kosher salt. Black pepper. Grated Romano cheese, and vegetable oil. Cut butter into small cubes and place it in a bowl that leaves room to mix, and let the butter come to room temperature. In a medium pan, add oil and garlic and cook at a medium heat until the garlic is golden brown, about 5 minutes or more. When the garlic is cooked, add the butter into the pan and add your granulated garlic, salt, pepper, onion powder, Worcester, and mix it all together until it is nice and creamy. Let that sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes. Brush the garlic on the dough with a pastry brush all over to coat it evenly. Add the mushroom ragu over the garlic butter, then place the sliced duck over the mushrooms. Next, add your fontinella cheese over the duck and bake it at 550 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes or until that crust is the golden brown of a Eurasian Wygian duck. Look it up, guys. Ornithology, baby. When the pizza is done, add the baby arugula, cherry tomatoes, cut and serve. Well, there it is, guys, the Quack Attack pizza. We took something foul and we made it fantastic. Now all that's left is to put this in our beaks. All right, as I said, this has levels upon levels of flavor and texture. It all kind of starts out with that homemade garlic butter that we made. And then you hit the mushroom ragu, the soft mushrooms, but they're so flavorful with everything that we added to them. And then you have the savory of the duck on top with the skin on. It's kind of brought down by the mildness of the fontinella cheese that we're adding there. And then you have the fresh arugula and tomatoes on top with a little bit of white truffle oil, some salt and pepper to taste. It all just blends together so well. Well, that's all the time we have today in the Pizza Kitchen, folks. I'd like to thank our good friends Eric von Hansen and Nick Bogaz for this award-winning recipe. I hope you guys all try it out in your homes or in your pizzerias. If you want to find out more about Nick, Eric, and Caliente's Pizza and Draft House, check out the Chef's Corner in the September issue of PMQ. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you guys next time in the Pizza Kitchen, but until then, keep on quacking.